Hello, my name is Mithia. I am from Cambodia. I speak Khmer. Today I will tell you about five countries. This is the flag of Korea. People in this country speak Korean language. This is the flag of China. People in this country speak Chinese language. This is the flag of Spain. People in this country speak Spanish language. This is the flag of Japan. People in this country speak Japanese language. This is the flag of Germany. The people in this country speak German language. Thank you everyone for listening.